other ways to have a nice edge, like on this baby jacket that I'm making, is so you only need to pay attention to first and last stitches. So the first stitch you are going to pass the as if to purl with your yarn in front, and then do whatever pattern you want. You are going to knit the last stitch. So on the way back, the same thing. You're going to have your yarn in front, pass the first one as if to purl, and whatever stitch you're making all the way to the end. And the last stitch you knit, and so you end up with a very pretty edge.